What's up, guys? Just doing a quick video. My cycling of the system appears to be done. So from what it looks for me, without looking through the camera, looks like my ammonia is at 0 to like nothing, basically. I mean, not even barely readable. Flashes on my camera, in case you couldn't tell. That's why it's making it a little different for you guys. My nitrites reading 0. My nitrates are probably between 10 and 20. Yeah, probably between 10 and 20. So yeah, looks like my cycling is done. All I gotta do now is I'm probably going to wait another week for my ick issue to go away with this tank. And make sure all the fish I have inside are good to go. And I'll bring them outside, put them back into here. And of course I salt treated out here, so I'll have to change out about half the water or so. Which sucks. But it shall be dechlorinated so it doesn't affect my cycle of bacteria. So yeah, that's where we're at so far, guys. I'm gonna be planting soon, so that'll be good. I'll show you guys that when I get to it. But just thought I'd update you, let you know that the cycling's done on the tank, and that the issues getting under control now. Besides the, loss of half of my fish, which was pretty bad. So it's pretty upsetting when I saw it. So yeah, but I'll just let you guys go. Give me some comments if you have anything to say. See ya.